Hello bachon, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you a topic, linear equation. In this video you are going to learn a linear equation in one variable and two variables, or it is also known as first degree equations. This topic is very important for 8th, 9th and 10th standard students. If you understood this basic concept of linear equation, then you'll be able to solve exercise questions of your textbook. In 10th standard, this chapter consists of 9 marks. So listen carefully, try to understand this concept. I'll explain you in a very easy manner. After watching this full video, you'll feel linear equation as a very interesting and easy chapter. Four x plus y is equals to 6. X and y both are variables. 6 is known as the constant and 4 is the coefficient. X and y variables के पास जो भी numbers होते हैं उसको हम coefficients कहते हैं. Here 4 is the coefficient of x and here nothing is there means 1. 1 is the coefficient of y. How come this is linear equation means x power is 1. Here y का degree जो है 1. The highest degree is 1. So it is known as 1 degree equation or linear equation. If it is 4x square plus y is equals to 6 something, it is like degree is greater than 1, then it is not a linear equation. Okay, one more example. 2xy plus 5 is equals to 10. X power 1 and y power is also 1. X and y जो variables है वो बाजू बाजू है, इसीलिए it will get add. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the highest degree of this equation is 2. I have already told you that if the degree is greater than 1, then it is understood that it is not a linear equation. It is not 1 degree equation or not a linear equation. Okay, let's take one more example. 2y plus 4x is equals to 10. Here x is in the denominator. So multiply both sides by x. 2y into x plus 4 divided by x into x is equals to 10 into x. Both side here means LHS and RHS. 2y into x is 2yx plus x will get cancelled. 4 is equals to 10x. Now observe here, y power is 1, x power is also 1. So powers will get added. 1 plus 1 is 2. The degree is 2. So I have already told you that if the degree is greater than 1, then it is not a linear equation. Okay, let's know how can we solve linear equation in one variable. This is one question. 2x plus 20 is equals to 50. This is a number and this is also a number. This total part is known as left hand side, that is LHS. This is in RHS, right hand side. One basic rule I want to explain you about LHS and RHS. If plus symbol is in LHS, if it is shifted to RHS, then it becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. You should understand this basic rule. Let's solve 2x plus 20 is equals to 50. If 20 is also a number, 50 is also a number. If plus 20 is shifted to RHS, then it becomes minus 20. 2x is equals to 50 minus 20 is 30. This is like 2 into x. Into value comes there means x as it is, 30 as it is, 2 into multiply becomes division. Divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. 1 is remaining, 2 5s are. The value of x is 15. This is a 3 term but x terms are 2 variables. I'll keep 30 as it is. 10x and 5x को एक साइड कर लेती हूँ. 5x minus 10 RHS shift हुआ तो it becomes plus 10x. 30 is equals to 5 plus 10 15x. Keep this x as it is. 15 outside गया तो LHS side गया तो it becomes divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are. The value of x is 2. This is a basic linear equation. Here's some tough level question I'll solve. This 2 by 3 is multiplied with x and also multiplied with minus 1. 2 by 3 into x minus 2 by 3 ones are 2 by 3 only. Plus 4 is equals to 5. 2 into x is 2x divided by 3 minus 2 by 3. Plus 4 RHS shift हुआ तो it becomes minus 4. ये जो वैल्यू है नॉर्मल नंबर्स एलसीएम करके बताते हैं. दिस इज लाइक 4 by 6 plus 5 by 6. If the denominators are same, you should write the same value of denominator and numerators gets added. अगर एडिशन का सिंबल रहा तो ऐड होते, माइनस सिंबल रहा तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होते. 9 divided by 6. In the same way, 3 is a denominator. Write 3 as it is. 2x minus 2 is equals to 5 minus 4 is 1. 2x minus 2 divided value O से चली गई तो multiply 1 into 3. 2x minus 2 is equals to 1 3 is a 3. नंबर्स को एक साइड शिफ्ट कर लो. माइनस 2 से हुआ तो प्लस 2. 2x is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5. The value of x is 5 divided by 2. This is linear equation in one variable. Let's solve linear equation in two variables. Write this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Here x and x, coefficient of x are same. So and symbols also same. Plus से plus. So change the symbols. अगर symbols opposite रहा question में, then no need to change the symbols. Change the symbols here. Plus becomes minus. Here plus becomes minus. Okay. Plus x. Now you should not check these symbols. जो डाउन में हमने डाले हैं वो symbols को check करना चाहिए. Plus x minus x will get cancelled. Plus 2 minus 5 minus 3y is equals to plus 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. Y is equals to 2 divided by 3. Once you know the value of y, then put the value of y in equation 1 or 2. Comparing to equation 1 and 2, 1 is better. Y value in equation 1. Write down the equation 1. X plus 2y is equals to 6. X as it is 2, y value is 2 divided by 3 is equals to 6. X plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Plus 4 by 3 हो सेट गया तो minus 4 by 3. Draw the LCM. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 4 divided by 3. 14 by 3 is the answer. और एक बतलाऊंगी linear equation in two variables. As in this as equation 1 and equation 2. पहले क्वेश्चन से थोड़ा चेंज है. यहाँ पे देखो coefficients of y are same. So observe for y only. And the symbols are opposite. So no need to change the symbols. Plus y minus y will get cancelled. 3, nothing is there means 1. 3 plus 1, 4x is equals to 5 plus 3, 8. Keep x as it is, 8 divided by 4. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. X is equals to 2. You can put x value in any of the equation. I'll put in equation 2 because equation 2 is easier than equation 1. Put x in equation 2. X minus y is equals to 3. X value is 2 minus y is equals to 3. Observe here. Here minus value is there. अगर minus y वो साइड शिफ्ट हो गया तो it becomes plus y. Write 2 as it is. ये 3 को मैं इस तरफ शिफ्ट कर लूंगी. It becomes minus 3. If minus y is shifted to RHS, then it becomes plus y. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 is equals to y. The value of y is minus 1. I think now we have understood the linear equations in one variable and two variables clearly. This is very basic concept and it is important for all the high school students, whether they are studying in NCERT or CBSE. Okay, I'll give you one question. Is it linear equation or not? 2x plus 3yz is equals to 8. One more question. This is linear equation in two variables. I'll give you one hint. The coefficients of x are same and both the symbols are same. So change the symbols. Write the answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video.